Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster.
Good morning, you guys. I just woke up. It's 11 o'clock. I gave you guys the house tour yesterday, but I didn't do anything after that. I only watched Final Four games. I watched that, and that was pretty much it. And then I went to bed like real late too, still. But now I woke, and I'm probably about to eat breakfast. But first, I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face and stuff. Okay, you guys, so my face is clean and I'm about to go eat some breakfast, but I'll see you guys whenever I pick up the camera again. Hey y'all, so it's been a couple hours and right now, I'm sure y'all can probably hear the wind, but right now I'm walking with my cousin and my other cousin. She in front of us, but we're walking, about to get to know the little circle. It's like a nice little circle. And I was just like, I was in the middle circle. And these houses just like around the row. But they said it's about to be a tornado, so hopefully we make it back. I'm about to get on the swings. So y'all, we sitting down at this little golf course. Yeah, it's like this. And I'm about to set the camera up. We about to watch the sunset. They on right here. Kayla right there. Okay, y'all, we didn't stay for the whole like sun go down thing because I was just covering it.
Behind the scenes of us making a TikTok. Take one.
Let's go. Settle fan do. If he gets and kill him and his man too.
Playing bingo.
Yeah, we're bingo.
Alright, y'all, blackout bingo. You gotta copy your whole board. This is for the grand prize.
The next morning.
Okay, y'all, it's another day. Day 3 on vacation and spring break. I'm about to flutter my hair again. Or whatever. I don't know what I'm about to do. And I'm about to watch this movie and get ready because we're going to mini golf. I'll see y'all when I'm done getting ready though. Okay, y'all, so I'm ready in my little soccer mom outfit. Period. Pants is from Skims. Got my Crocs on. This hoodie is from Macy's and this shirt is from H&M. Necklace, Pandora, earrings, hair store. And that's it. And I did my own hair. Period. What you know? I did it! You can pick what ball you want. I'm going to get pink. Where's my buddy? Go ahead, buddy. Pick a ball. I'm going to hold it for you. Give my father a different color from us.
All right, wait a minute. Everybody.
Like gray. You got it, Bray. Hit it.
All right, hit it again.
That's good enough.
Okay.
Y'all, they got the waterfall right there. We're ready to take a picture. Alright, y'all. Got my pants up. Oh my goodness. Come on. It feels good right here.
It's hot. Sand right hot.
The sand feel warm. I love food.
Hi.
Oh, thank you. Not the. She was like, I'll be back. Okay. Hair looking crazy. We're walking the boardwalk. Alright, y'all. I have a ponytail holder. Yes, because that one in my hair was not. No, we was not friends. We still walking. Excuse me. Y'all got these in pink? No.
Frank and I didn't know pink. How we do?
I like this. Yeah, I was thinking like a lighter pink, but it's fine. We might leave empty-handed. I'll tell y'all what I get. Let's not even mind my hair, y'all, but I got these two bracelets from the store. Not a Pandora bracelet, but these two bracelets, they real cute. And right now I'm waiting for the call so I can leave. I see y'all in the house. We're making ramen. Well, I am. I'm making my own store. What's up? What's up? What's up? It is vacation day 5. I'm not sure because I didn't film yesterday, and before that was vacation day 3. So I'm pretty sure we're on vacation day 5, and we are going bowling. I'm gonna go show y'all the outfit right now. I don't know if y'all can hear me clearly, but I have on my Skims top. I forgot what the color was, but it's gray. But it's like a different name for that. I got on my Aeropostale sweatpants, and I got on some Crocs and no socks because it's real nice outside, if y'all couldn't tell. And I'm also got some socks on when I bowl. But yeah, right now we're about to get in the cars and get picked up and all that, and I will see y'all when we get there. Y'all miss this pretty face? I miss seeing her too. Well, Khalil won the second time too. You guys, I'm at Bessie Robin. Okay, I'm gonna get something good. Can I get chocolate chip cookie dough?
What size? Like
2 scoops. Y'all got cups, right? Yeah, 2 scoops. In Nanny's car. With the ice cream.
What kind of ice cream is that?
Cookie dough.
Oh, what is that? I'm going to see my son-in-law back down here.
That's good.
So good.
this feels like somewhere, before you make me feel so alive.
We are on vacation day 6. I haven't seen y'all since last night, but I'm back with y'all this morning. Actually, this evening because it's like 2:32. I'm at the thrift and vintage store with my grandmother. I've been with my grandmama. We about to get out. I am tired, so I don't know if I'm doing a lot of talking, but hopefully I'll wake up in the store. Yeah, it's a small store. About to get out. This is the store. I'll be talking to y'all like y'all can speak back. This is cute. They don't have my size in here. Like, anything.
You don't have any, like jackets?
Alright, y'all. I'm back in the house. I'm tired. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. No, it's 9:10. Oh, I'm so tired. My hair is bloody. Well, it's oily, but of course, because my hair is oily. But now, I'm going to give y'all a haul of what I got from the stores. First, we're going to do Dollar Tree. I cannot remember what I showed y'all today, but I'm just showing y'all what I got. From Dollar Tree, I got an exfoliating mitt. It's for your face, so I'm going to use that. Then I got another pair of exfoliating gloves. I'll be using that for different ways. And then I have an exfoliating bath cloth. So 3 different products to exfoliate with. I also got a gua sha massager. All that was from the Dollar Tree. Cost me like $4. I also went to Nike store, Nike outlet store, and I got this headband because I am starting conditioning soon and I will have my hair out. And then when I get it done, I still want to use this headband. It was $5 from the Nike outlet. And then when we get into the Under Armour store, I got some shoes. They cost $50 because it's the outlet store. So, you know, got us right. These are the shoes. They purple. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but I've been needing some like every day. Did I say Anna? Franklin?
Oh. You just locking doors.
Yes, I was. Girl, I was doing a haul. Hi, it was hot.
You got some Under Armour shoes?
Yeah, they cost $50.
It was what?
$50 from the outlet.
Y'all was there for a long time.
The outlet? It was the one. It was one across the street.
That's the one we was at. The one where the Nike outlet.
Y'all went?
Yeah.
Oh.
We was over there. Me and Kayla tried to go to Hot Topic, but they was closed.
What time?
They was closed at like
What time y'all go?
7 something.
Oh, we was over there for a while.
Yo, yeah.
Y'all saw us?
I seen that in the car.
Oh, how we didn't see y'all? Anyways, yeah, I got some Under Armour shoes. They're purple. Then I got some Under Armour pants, some sweatpants. But I never really gave it to the Under Armour because I'm from Baltimore and we love Under Armour, so I'm trying something new, I guess. And I got a shirt to match my shoes. It's just a plain Under Armour shirt.
I'm hot.
It is hot in here. I'm about to try on them clothes though. I'll let y'all see that. I would put the shoes on, but I don't have no socks on, so I don't want to get them dirty. But these the pants, this the shirt. They like this. I thought they was like wide bottom pants, but they not. It's cute. I'm sure I told y'all earlier that this is the last night here. We leave tomorrow morning. Probably a film that, maybe not. I don't know for sure. I just know I'm tired right now, so I don't know what else I'm gonna film tonight. Whew. My head looks crazy, but yeah, I'm tired right now, so I don't know what else I'm gonna film tonight. So I'll see y'all whenever I see y'all. I'm back again because I just want to tell y'all that I'm gonna just end this video here because I'm too tired to film tonight. So, and probably tomorrow I just want to relax. So I'll see y'all in my next video. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video. So I recommend me to everybody, even your friends, and make sure you subscribe and drop a comment because I love you and I want you to love me too. Like, of course. So see y'all next week.